Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see how it looks. The name is shaft bearing and the drawing is right here. We start by creating this basic plate, dimension 96/64, radius 10 and the thickness 20. Let's start. Standard millimeters IPT, new sketch in this plane with X to the right. Then we use this tool, rectangle 2-point center, starting from the center point, dimension 96/64. We apply fillet of 10 at each corner, as you can see. Finish sketch, extrude 20. Then we create this volume of revolution placed at 146/64, this point, the angle of 45, and dimensions, diameters 52, 32, 64, distances 44 and 12. Let's do this. We select the plane YZ and F7 to place some lines in the air. The first is this one, perpendicular, again perpendicular, all of them are perpendicular, and we close the contour. This line is the center line. Dimensions, this point and this point 146, and this distance is 64. The angle, this angle is 45. Diameters, this is 52 and this is 64. This is 12. If you want to align dimension, you can go anywhere and select with the right button aligned. You see, 12. The general dimension is 44. Now we have a fully constrained sketch so that we can apply revolve. Okay. You see we have two features, 1, 2, but only one solid bodies. Now we connect them with another feature, this feature, this. Dimensions, radius 15, and we use lines here and an offset of 12. let's do this. Same plane for a new sketch. F7. I project two faces, this one and this one. Then I make something interesting. I create a contour, press the left button and go here. A contour from three entities, but tangent, as you can see. This is vertical. Z is vertical. Okay. Radius here is 15. And we apply parallel between this line and this line. This is vertical, this is parallel. Then we apply offset, my friends. Offset of 12. We connect these points and this. We don't know if they are, this is not perpendicular. Let's apply perpendicularity and we'll have surprise or not. Yes, we did. Good. Now I place this point here and this point in the mid point of this line. That's all. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical on 64. Okay. Now we create this rib with dimensions radius 55, radius 53 and 26. The thickness is 12. You'll see that two of these three are enough. We'll use radii, but not this dimension. You'll see. We use the plane YZ, F7, then we connect the two midpoints of this revolving volume. You see here fully constrained sketch. Then we draw another line to here, parallel with that yellow line. Press the left button, go somewhere here, then pressed the left button again and go here. I project geometry, this line, this line, this and this. I connect this end point with this point. I place concentric here the two points, centers, and this is why the third dimension is not necessary. You see, we need two dimensions, not three. I place here 53 and here 55. You can use the dimension 26 here because this is the dimension, real dimension. I make it as a driven dimension now. You can select this and don't place these 2 points in coincidence. Okay, finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical, 12 millimeters. Okay, we have the ribbon in position. Then you see there is a hole here of 32, hole, face, center, not counterbore, 32 through the part. Okay, other 2 holes are here on the base, 14, 8.5 and 8 counterbore. Distance is 60. We select this face, new sketch, line, length of 60, F7. We place the midpoint of this line over the center point, because you can see here a vertical axis. This means that the 2 holes are centered here. Okay, finish sketch, hole at the ends of the line and with counterbore. Okay, this is not 32 but 8.5. This is 14 and this is 8. Okay, another feature is this keyway 14 and 4. We select this face, we draw a rectangle, simple rectangle, this one, 14 is this dimension and 4 the other. The same vertical for this point and this point. Finish sketch, extrude this with cut all the way through the part. Okay, now I suppose we only have this undimensioned fillets are radius 2. Let's see. I select this edge, 2 millimeters is by default. I go all around, many fillets are here, but we know how to work. I hope that's all. Okay, now that's not all, because we have to add this fillet. I don't create a new feature, but I use this one, double click on it and I only add new fillets. Okay, now I suppose we finished the part. Let's see what about the volume. Eye properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new dimension is almost the same, only this is different instead of this. This is acceptable. I eliminate this. I keep the last because this is what we did here. We go to the part and we apply the material, still cast. The general aspect is also still cast. We keep the shaded, not all the edges, and we apply special aspects to some faces. As you can see, they are polished. I select the other light and we can compare the two parts and they are the same. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.